Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi. I am from VVIT College ECB section. My roll number is 20BQ180485. Now I am going to discuss about tidal energy from non-conventional energy sources. Now let us discuss about the topic tidal energy, which is also a part of non-conventional energy sources. Actually, we know that the rise and fall of water level in the ocean is mainly due to gravitational force exerted by sun and moon on the earth. We all know that the rise and fall of water in the ocean occurs due to the gravitational force which is exerted by sun and moon on earth, and these rise and fall are known as tides. There are two types of tides, that is high tide and low tide, which is mainly the rise of water refers to high tide and the fall of water refers to low tide. And tides are formed periodically in the oceans due to various positions of rotating sun and moon. From this point we can say that tides are periodical, and the other important point is when in the normal situations, if water level is at some height, and in the formation of tides the water level rises. That means the tide formation brings about the water level difference in the oceans, and the minimum height of tides is 5 meters to harness the electricity from tides. And high tide contains large amount of potential energy. And also the countries which are producing electricity by using tidal mills are Canada and France. These two countries are producing producing electricity by using these tidal mills. India is also producing electricity by tidal mills. In India, Gulf of Cambay and Gulf of Kutch and the Sundarban deltas are very famous for producing electricity using tidal mills. And now let us see here. This is tidal barrage, and one side of tidal barrage there is sea, and the other side we can see there is a reservoir. And during high tide formation, when there is a high tide, the water level of sea rises and the water will flow into the reservoir. And during this, the turbine rotates, and due to this we can have an energy from these tidal mills. This process continues until the water levels of both sea and reservoirs will become equal. And when it comes to low tide, see, this is the picture of low tide. This is tidal barrage, sea and reservoir. In low tide, the water level of sea decreases and the water level of reservoir increases. Then the water flow from reservoir to sea will continue. At the time the turbine rotates the turbine rotates in this direction. Due to this rotation, we can have some electricity from this tidal energy, and this process still continues. Both the water levels becomes equal. So in this way we can produce electricity from tidal energy. Thank you so much.